Essential English. The 100 questions you need to know. What's your name? What's your name?
My name's John.
How are you? How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Where are you from? Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
How old are you? How old are you?
I'm 21 years old.
Do you speak English? Do you speak English?
Yes, I do.
Can I have some water? Can I have some water?
Here you go.
Where's the bathroom? Where's the bathroom?
It's down the hall.
Could I have a coffee, please? Could I have a coffee, please?
Sure, coming right up.
Is there Wi-Fi here? Is there Wi-Fi here?
Yes, the password is 123ABC.
How much does this cost? How much does this cost?
It costs $2.50.
How do I get to the airport? How do I get to the airport?
Take the shuttle bus.
Can you show me on the map? Can you show me on the map?
Right here.
Where can I find a taxi? Where can I find a taxi?
Outside, to the left.
Where should we meet? Where should we meet?
Let's meet at the entrance.
What's the best way to the city center? What's the best way to the city center?
The subway is fastest.
What time is it? What time is it?
It's 5 o'clock.
What days are you open? What days are you open?
We're open every day.
When's your birthday? When's your birthday?
It's on the 1st of January.
What time does the store open? What time does the store open?
At 9 a.m.
What's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Can I have it to go? Can I have it to go?
Certainly.
Do you offer vegetarian options? Do you offer vegetarian options?
Yes, we do.
Where can I find a good restaurant? Where can I find a good restaurant?
Around the corner.
What would you recommend? What would you recommend?
The steak is excellent.
Where did you learn English? Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
May I ask you a question? May I ask you a question?
Of course.
Are you a student? Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
What languages do you speak? What languages do you speak?
I speak English and Spanish.
Can you repeat that, please? Can you repeat that, please?
Sure, I said I spoke English and Spanish.
Could you speak slower, please? Could you speak slower, please?
Of course, I will slow down.
Can I use your phone? Can I use your phone?
Sorry, it's low on battery.
Can you fix this? Can you fix this?
Let me see what I can do.
Can you direct me to the nearest ATM? Can you direct me to the nearest ATM?
It's next to the post office.
Where can I park my car? Where can I park my car?
There's a parking lot behind the building.
Can you tell me the time? Can you tell me the time?
It's 5:30.
What's the date today? What's the date today?
It's July 14th.
How long will you stay? How long will you stay?
I will stay for 2 weeks.
When will it be ready? When will it be ready?
It will be ready in 20 minutes.
Can I see the menu, please? Can I see the menu, please?
Certainly, here it is.
Can I have a glass of water, please? Can I have a glass of water, please?
Of course, I'll bring it now.
Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included?
Yes, breakfast is included.
Do you have any local dishes? Do you have any local dishes?
Yes, we have a few options.
Where can I buy tickets? Where can I buy tickets?
You can buy them at the front desk.
Do you have this in a smaller size? Do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check for you.
How much is this? How much is this?
It's $20.
Can I pay with a credit card? Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all major cards.
What's your return policy? What's your return policy?
You can return it within 30 days.
What do you do for a living? What do you do for a living?
I'm a teacher.
Where do you work? Where do you work?
I work at the local school.
Are you working today? Are you working today?
No, I have the day off.
What time do you finish work? What time do you finish work?
I finish at 5 p.m.
Can we schedule a meeting? Can we schedule a meeting?
Sure. How about Friday at 10 a.m.?
Where can I find a pharmacy? Where can I find a pharmacy?
There's one next to the supermarket.
How do I get to the city center? How do I get to the city center?
You can take bus number 5.
Where can I rent a car? Where can I rent a car?
At the rental service by the station.
What places do you recommend visiting? What places do you recommend visiting?
You should see the old town.
What's your favorite music? What's your favorite music?
I like pop music.
What do you do for fun? What do you do for fun?
I like hiking and reading.
Where can we go dancing? Where can we go dancing?
There's a club on Main Street.
Do you have any special dishes today? Do you have any special dishes today?
Yes, we have a grilled salmon special.
Can I order this to go? Can I order this to go?
Sure, it will be ready in 10 minutes.
What kind of drinks do you have? What kind of drinks do you have?
We have coffee, tea, and various juices.
Would you like to dance? Would you like to dance?
Sure, that would be lovely.
Can we take a photo together? Can we take a photo together?
Of course, let's do it.
Do you know where I can charge my phone? Do you know where I can charge my phone?
Yes, there's a charging station over there.
What hobbies do you have? What hobbies do you have?
I enjoy painting and cycling.
Can you help me, please? Can you help me, please?
Of course, what do you need?
Is there a doctor here? Is there a doctor here?
Yes, there's one on the second floor.
Do you have any rooms available? Do you have any rooms available?
Yes, we have a few left.
How much is a night's stay? How much is a night's stay?
It's $60 per night.
What time is check-out? What time is check-out?
It's at 11 a.m.
Can I have the check, please? Can I have the check, please?
I'll bring it to you in a moment.
Does this dish contain nuts? Does this dish contain nuts?
No, it doesn't.
Is this seat taken? Is this seat taken?
No, it's free.
Can you tell me when we arrive? Can you tell me when we arrive?
We should arrive in about 20 minutes.
Where is the bus station? Where is the bus station?
It's down the street on your left.
Can I buy a ticket on the bus? Can I buy a ticket on the bus?
Yes, you can buy it from the driver.
What are you doing this weekend? What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going hiking.
Can I help you with anything? Can I help you with anything?
That's very kind, thank you.
Where can I get a good coffee? Where can I get a good coffee?
There's a great cafe on Main Street.
What should I wear today? What should I wear today?
It's chilly, so wear something warm.
Do you have a phone charger I could use? Do you have a phone charger I could use?
Yes, what kind of phone do you have?
How do I say this in English? How do I say this in English?
You say it like this.
Can you write that down for me? Can you write that down for me?
Certainly, here you go.
Do I need health insurance? Do I need health insurance?
It's recommended for visitors.
How do I schedule an appointment? How do I schedule an appointment?
You can call or use our online system.
Can you fix this device? Can you fix this device?
Let me take a look at it.
How much will it cost to repair? How much will it cost to repair?
It will cost about $100.
Can I get a discount on this? Can I get a discount on this?
We can give you a 10% discount.
Where is the nearest library? Where is the nearest library?
It's on 5th Avenue, next to the park.
How do I enroll in a class? How do I enroll in a class?
You can enroll online or at our office.
What time do classes start? What time do classes start?
Classes start at 9 a.m.
Is there a student discount? Is there a student discount?
Yes, we offer a 10% discount for students.
Where can I find the post office? Where can I find the post office?
It's on 2nd Street, across from the bank.
Is there a park nearby? Is there a park nearby?
Yes, there's a park 2 blocks from here.
How spicy is this dish? How spicy is this dish?
It's medium spicy.
Do you have a fitting room? Do you have a fitting room?
Yes, our fitting rooms are over there.
What's the best way to travel around the city? What's the best way to travel around the city?
The subway is fast and convenient.
Are there any historical sites nearby? Are there any historical sites nearby?
Yes, the old fort is just a few miles away.
Can I rent a bike here? Can I rent a bike here?
Yes, there's a bike rental shop on Market Street.
Happy learning. See you next time.